Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average guy trying to be consistent. And you know what? One of my biggest achievement in being consistent, not really that much, but I have I think like 158 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram, averaging like 38 push-ups per morning. You can just check it out. And hey, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about my mistakes in trying to be consistent and what can you actually learn from it. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So hey, this is April 16th, 2025, and this is going to be day 282 of consistently helping people build consistency. So one of my biggest mistake in trying to be consistent is that I simply don't know when am I going to be doing some certain thing. So it goes something like this, and I think you guys might actually pretty relate with this, right? So whenever I want to do something, right? Let's say like exercising or maybe like studying, I only say inside of my head to myself, I only say that, oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do the exercise after I go back from school, right? Until like I go back home, right? And then after school ends, right, I go back to my home and then I kind of think to myself, oh, you know what, I need to relax a bit. I'm just gonna be doing the thing later, okay? Maybe like after dinner. And yeah, guess what? I think it's pretty predictable, right? After dinner comes, I said to myself, oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm still just, I want to do this thing, do that thing. This thing seem pretty important. So I'm just gonna be doing, the exercise, the studying later. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing it later. Maybe like I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. Okay, because I need to sleep, blah 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 blah. Basically, I just procrastinate so much. I didn't do the thing at the end of the day. Just say that I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow, and then tomorrow the same cycle happens again and again and again. So how do I actually need to solve this problem, right? How do I solve this problem? Simple. Basically, create a really clear sign of when or am I going to be doing the thing. Okay, let's say I want to exercise. Just basically create a deadline, okay? Basically, yeah, like exercise before 5 a.m. or maybe like exercise before, 5 p.m. or maybe like exercising starts from, just a range, okay? A range of time, maybe like from, I don't know, 4 p.m. till 5 p.m. I need to do at least 15 minutes, basically gives myself some flexibility, right? So basically something like that. So how do I actually create a really clear sign, a really concrete sign, right, of when am I going to be doing some certain thing? Okay, simple. Basically, just set on an alarm. Okay, that's really simple actually, and really effective because when the alarm rings, it kind of gives us some really clear sign to actually do our thing. Hey, it's time to do your exercise. It's time to do your studying. Okay, and here's the thing, we don't only want to have the boring beep 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 sound, we are going to change it into something that actually can motivate us to actually do the thing. So for example, instead of the beep 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 boring alarm sound, we are going to be changing it into one of our favorite motivational music or favorite motivational song. Okay? Or maybe like one of our favorite motivational speech. Basically, the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are creating an environment where every single time the alarm rings, it's going to trigger something inside of us to actually do the thing. Okay? Because every single time we hear the motivational song, the motivational speech, something inside us is going to be feeling triggered, right? That, oh yeah, you know what? I need to do this thing. I'm feeling really motivated, blah 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 blah. Okay? So that's the first mistake that you can learn from me. Okay? Not having a clear time when am I going to be doing some certain thing. That's the first mistake. So now moving on to the second mistake, right? The second mistake is that not only that I don't know when am I going to be doing the thing, I also don't know what is the thing that am I going to be doing. Okay. So I only say that, oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna study. Okay, I'm gonna study. But I never really define what studying is, what is considered to be studying. And if you just think about it, actually, it's really, really problematic. I mean, what type of studying am I going to be doing? How many minutes am I going to be spending my time doing the studying at minimum on a day-to-day basis? And basically, the problem lies within how can I even be consistent at doing something if I don't really have a clear idea of what is the thing that I'm going to be consistent at, that I'm going to be doing at, right? In the first place. So the thing that I should have done here is to basically create a really clear notion of what is considered to be studying. How do I make it? I make it by making it specific and also measurable. Okay, specific and measurable. So for example, instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm gonna study, let's say that I'm gonna read some book, which is something that's really specific. And also not only that I make it specific, I also make it measurable. So for example, like 10 minutes of reading a book. This way, it's going to be good because one, I don't really have to spend the time and mental energy anymore deciding what is the thing that am I going to be doing. It's completely clear. At least 10 minutes of reading a book every single day. And secondly, it kind of this clarity, it kind of gives me some sense of consistency and confidence, because when I say that, oh, you know what, I'm gonna be doing reading a book, I'm gonna read a book for 10 minutes every single day, and I actually did the 10 minutes of reading a book, I can actually say that, oh, you know what, I've done the thing that I said I'm gonna be doing. I have fulfilled my goal, I have fulfilled my target, and this brings some sense of one, achievement, right, and two, confidence. Confidence that, hey, I actually can do the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing. Okay? And once we've got to day 7 of consistently doing this thing, day 14 of consistently doing this thing, the confidence is also going to be, accumulate, right? We are going to be thinking like that, hey, not only that I can actually did the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing, I also been consistently fulfilling my own words for the past 14 days, right? It builds confidence that, hey, I'm going to be doing the same on day 15, on day 16, on day 17, and so on and so on. Basically, it builds confidence. So, yeah, basically, that's the two problems, that's the two mistakes that you can learn from me and how to actually solve it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join our Discord. And, you can also support my work on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Oh, and yeah, for today's date, I'll tentatively post today, April 16th, 2025. And today's memes are posted a uh, office meme last 24 hours. Thank you.